Right, this is our last diaper, right, buddy? You ready to use the potty? All right, let's get that diaper off and do this. So day one, here we go. So far so good. We had an unprompted, unattended pee in his potty before 8 o'clock this morning, and yes, we started out with an accident. It happens. I know it's not going to be a perfect day, but so far, he's gotten the rest of his pee in the potty. So if we can get a poop in today, I will be super thrilled. But yeah, we've been hanging out. We've read like 5 books, and it's not even 8:30 yet. Lots of penis touching. He seems pretty entertained by his little penis out in the breeze today. So, boys. So this is our potty setup. You can see we've got the little potty chair down there. And then we've got the insert over there in case he wants to go on the big potty. And just to help out with him relaxing and sitting on the potty long enough for something to come out, we have our little stash of books here. He has decided that he is a bathroom reader, and if it helps him sit still long enough to make sure the pee goes in the potty and not on the floor, then that's good with me. So he's got his options, and I feel like giving them the option is important because you don't want them to end up only wanting to use the little potty chair, because there's going to come a time when they need to go to the bathroom and there's no chance that that potty chair is going to be available. By having choices, you're setting them up for success, and that is the best thing that you can do for them when you're potty training, because it's going to make them more confident, it's going to make you more confident, and that's just a win-win for everybody. The more confidence both of you have in the process and their abilities, the more smoothly it's going to go. So it's nap time on day 1, and I am exhausted already. He has been pretty successful, including at least 2 unprompted and unattended pees in his potty all by himself. You know, of course, with lots of clapping and praise and making sure he knows pee goes in the potty, not on the floor. But we've also had probably a dozen little puddles of pee throughout the house to go with that, and that's okay. It's a better success rate than I had day 1 with either of the other 2, so I am good with that. Generally, I know from his diapers he tends to pee more in the first half of the day than the second, so that's both going to be easier in that we probably won't have as many messes to clean up, but also more difficult because we're going to have to pay more attention and make sure that we catch it when he does need to pee. I might also give him his first ever juice box to kind of help push things along a little bit, maybe encourage an extra pee or 2. But I also don't want to overwhelm him with liquids either, right? So, I don't know. I haven't decided. I'll decide by the time he wakes up, I guess. We're going completely diaper free. The diaper I took off of him this morning is the last diaper this kid is going to wear. So we're going to have to wake him up at night to take him potty and probably clean up a couple accidents along the way anyway. We have still been changing him a couple of times a night, so we'll probably take those times, and about a half hour before we usually change his diaper, we're going to try to sit him on the potty instead and hopefully catch him going so we don't have to change his bed. Because the hard part with the night training is that you need to teach them to wake themselves up to go. It's not a natural skill for us, especially when they've just been peeing in the diaper their whole lives. And it's more efficient to just do it all at once too, you know. If we had another baby in diapers, I probably would hold off on the night training, but since we cloth diaper, I don't really want to just wash a load of 2 to 4 diapers every couple days. You know, it's kind of a waste, and at that point I might as well hand wash it and just no thank you. So we're going cold turkey, no more diapers. We're gonna wash up the bag of dirties that we have, and that's it. They'll just all get packed away for the next kid. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, he is spending his day naked, which is why you're not really gonna see him. And he's napping right now, totally diaper free. He has been about 50-50 on whether he stays dry for naps, so we'll see how it goes. I fully anticipate cleaning up something, but who knows? Maybe he'll do it. Nap time is hard because it's really, you just have to either keep putting on the diaper or just not. Because it's not a long enough span of time that you can like wake them up a little bit to go potty and then expect they'll go back to sleep. No, most kids during nap time are just going to be up and that's it, you're done. And nobody wants an overtired, exhausted kid for the second half of the first day of potty training. So we're just cold turkey in it. I mean, if he pees on himself or something, he will wake up, but at least it's not my fault. So that's where we're at. Now, I may go take a nap.
Some final thoughts to wrap up our day 1 here. For starters, I know the naked thing kind of weirds some people out, but it is actually less of a mess when they don't have any clothes on. You're also going to want to stay really close to the bathroom today if you can, and if not, bring the small potty with you. You're not going to have much time between kid starts peeing to pee is everywhere, so the less of a run you have to make, the better. And before you get here, decide what in your house you're okay with getting peed on, because trust me, a lot of it's gonna get peed on. Altogether, day 1 for us was exhausting, but very successful. There's definite evidence that it is clicking for him, and that's fantastic. Hopefully he keeps that momentum and we have a great time potty training all the way to the end. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch the rest of this series as it hits. Throw me a thumbs up if you found this entertaining or useful, and leave me a comment down below with your best potty training story. Alright, bye guys. See you next time.